Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today, out here in the field. It's currently 5:54 in the morning. Now I should have been here a bit earlier, but this man fell asleep.
I'm sorry.
Anyway, we're here now, so. First little shot of the day. We've got a ladybird larvae, I think. I'm gonna try and use different camera settings for a change today, because I always shoot on f8, ISO 100 and 116 flash, so. Right now I'm shooting on 1:250 shutter, f5.6, ISO 200. I actually found out recently that the native ISO is 200 and you get better quality with that compared to ISO 100. Flash power 1/64. That means I can shoot away loads of shots and my flash shouldn't overheat. All right, so I'm just gonna have a look around this little pond. Is it a pond? No, it's a lake, river, no, pond. Is that awkward size? Is it a pond? Is it a lake? I don't know. Oh my Lord. I've just found a huge caterpillar. At least I think that's huge. What do you think?
Oh, pretty big.
It's like, it's munched that whole leaf there. I'll go to 1:1 and I've took the Rainox off still. I'm gonna change to stacking mode. I'll use f7.1 for this, I think. I'm just gonna try and move these blades of grass out the way so I can get a clean shot. Try and get like a face on composition. It's a bit hard. Actually, I might get side on composition because I quite like the feet. That would be quite a nice detail. The little red feet with the dew on the top. Looks quite nice. What I've done differently this time, since I uploaded my last video, someone mentioned, I'll put the comment up on screen, I can't remember their name, but I follow them on Instagram, so I probably should know their name. They mentioned you can just set the focus bracketing to the max shots, and then when you've got enough shots, you press the shutter again, and it ends. Rather than having to set the amount of images you want, you can just manually sort of stop the shutter. Okay, so I've just found two small blue beetles. They look similar to dock beetles, but they're full blue. I'm gonna try and use the yellow background because yellow will look nice against the blue. Using the same settings as before. I might kneel down here, try and hold the stem. There's a load of these beetles. Honestly, they're very common, but I found a sawfly kind of chilling on that flower there. I think I'll go for yellow. I kind of want to, it's very awkward here because there's like sludge down there and I don't really want to get any closer than this. I could probably maneuver the stem towards me like that. That makes it a lot easier now. What is a dog?
Hello. What up, little dude?
Weevils are much easier to photograph when they're on the floor, and look what I just found. Weevil on the floor. It's quite a cool looking weevil as well, and it's staying still. That was really the easiest focus stack of my life. I've just found some sort of caterpillar or like larvae thing. I don't know what it is. I think it's a caterpillar. It's looking very dewy. I think I've photographed one of those before. It looks similar to a sawfly larvae. No, I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna have to like hold it like this, I think. That kind of works. The background's kind of too close though. I'll do that, that should work. Now I know I photographed these quite a few times recently, but I've never photographed one with dew all over it. I think what I'm gonna do, change my lens to 1:1, get a nice portrait if I can. It's very hard to keep this stable because the leaf is flying around. The wheat thing it's on is bobbing around a lot. I've seen quite a few interesting things today, but never seen a grasshopper this small. Oh, it's so annoying photographing bugs on the end of wheat grass like this. Oh my God, it's bobbing everywhere. It's not in the greatest of spots. There we go. I think I got a clean side shot. If you watched my last video, there was a blue beetle photographed at the end of the video. I just found another one of those, but this one's kind of dewy. Basically, I'm finding everything I saw last video, but it's dewy. And dewy is better. Now I need to change my lens to 1:1. I want to get a bit more magnified. I don't know if that'll come up in the photo, but I just saw like an absolutely tiny slug on the bug's hand. It looked like a slug anyway. That was like pretty cool. I've just found a lacewing. It just landed there, so it's obviously been flying. Don't know if it'll stay still. I'll place my background on the floor, and what I'm gonna try and do is grab the leaf it's on, because it's on the underside of the leaf at the moment, so I'm gonna have to like maneuver it. Oh my God. I've just found a spider with an egg sac as well. Can you see that?
Oh, yo, I can see that shit.
That's sick. What the hell? I'm finding so much stuff today. I don't know what to go for now. Do I go for the spider with the egg sac or the lacewing? Oh, that was awkward, but we got it. Hopefully he stays still. Go for a side angle. I want to get all those details of the wing. I'm going to change magnification. Oh, as you can see there, my SD card was kind of holding me back. Don't know where that spider's gone. The lacewing, very happy with the lacewing though. But I would like that spider with the egg sac. I'll put one up on the screen now that I got last year. It was with my Canon 80D. It was not a massive shot, but I think I got like 5 images stacked. I just found some cuckoo spit, and you often get these little bugs in there. I think they're leaf hoppers, frog hoppers, I think they're called. Oh no, I think there is a bug in there. I think I can see its eye. And it's in here. Oh, it's on my background. And there it goes. I just watched my photo fly away. This is the first time I've ever seen a flower crab spider in person. At least I think it's a flower crab spider. All right, that'll do. I don't think it was a flower crab spider after all. So, but it was a slightly different crab spider. Because of the way the leaves are, the light actually isn't reaching the bug. And I can't really maneuver it because it's gonna fly away. Yep, there he is. And he's down there. Hasn't flew away too far. This could potentially work. It's a very cool looking bug. I forgot what they're called, but this is probably my 3rd time ever photographing one. So I've just spotted a harvestman, and I've seen quite a few of these recently, and they're always in places I can never get to, and this one is no different. Yeah, it's on a leaf, which makes it easier, but it's tangled in all this other mess, so we'll just hope it doesn't move. It's actually staying still for a change. I'm gonna get a more magnified shot and then go to 1/32. Actually, I'll go 1/64 and then f5.6. I don't know if I can get close enough, because when I was getting close a second ago, the grass was sort of moving. Okay, it's starting to move a little bit now. Okay, it's turning around. It's because I'm getting so close with the working distance of the Raynox on this lens. Yeah, I'm literally like almost touching the insect, so started to move there. I think that'll do. I got a shot with the eyes in focus anyway, so I should be able to get a decent stack there. Anyway guys, I think I'm going to call the video there for today. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to leave a like, share, subscribe, comment, share. I think I said everything. Yeah, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.